Welcome back to my channel. Francis Eze here. So today we are going to look at 6 websites where you get free quality backlinks, okay, and also traffic. So today we're going to look at those websites where you get as much traffic as possible and as much backlinks as possible. And you already know, for you to rank high in Google page, you need your website to also rank high. And to do that, the best way to go about that is to have as much quality backlinks as possible. And for the beginners, what is backlink? Backlink is actually you getting referenced on another website, or you getting referenced from another website. And that, let me make it easy and simple. Let me use a little illustration. So your website is site A, and there's this site B which has an article on it, and on one of those articles there's a link that points to your website, so that you can actually say that you got a backlink from website B. So you can have as many websites giving you backlinks. And the importance of backlink is that it shows Google algorithm that you have quality content to give out, you have valuable content, and you have enough authority and relevance in your niche. That's not just it. It shows that your domain or your website or your blog has a whole lot of credibility, and that way Google algorithm will actually rank it high and bring it to the front page so that more persons can actually see what you have to offer. Okay, and backlinks are very, very important when it comes to developing your blog, your website, your affiliate marketing, and also it is also good for those of you that offers SEO services, okay, which is search engine optimization. So let me use this website TechCrabble to give you example or instances on what backlink looks like. So let's look at this article, 11 African startups to watch out for in 2022. So look at, in this post, NFT-Fi was referenced, and when you take a look at it, you see that it leads to NFT-Fi website. So NFT-Fi actually got a backlink from TechCrabble. Okay, and let me use this opportunity to show you one other important thing you need to be doing to also rank high in Google page. Okay, and which is internal linking. Internal linking is a situation whereby you have an article in your blog or your site, and you also reference another article in your site. Okay, internal linking also boosts your chances of coming up on Google page. Okay, so let me give you an example. Still using this TechCrabble website. Look at, there's a reference for Nest Coin, and when you click on it, what do you get? You see that article referenced another article right inside the same website, which is TechCrabble. Okay, so let's move to the 6 websites where you can get lots and lots of quality backlinks, because these websites actually, they have very good domain ranking and domain authority. And it's a rule of the thumb that when you get backlinks from high ranking domain or domains with high authority, then you have more chances of ranking high on Google pages. Okay, and also it gives more credibility to your website or to your domain. So one of those websites, these websites, you might have heard of them, but I bet you must have not been using them in the right way. Okay, it's not just the regular make posts on them and all that. There are certain features which you've not been maximized, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. So the first one is LinkedIn. Yeah, it sounds popular, right? And how can you actually get quality backlinks from LinkedIn? Yeah, I'm going to show you right how you're going to do that. Normally, when we get on LinkedIn, the first thing we normally do is to post. We'll go on post and we'll add links. This is what every other person out there do, and when you keep doing what others do, you won't get as much result as you would have expected. So you have to do something differently to stand out, and that's where this feature comes in. So when you get your LinkedIn, stop using they start a post or they make a post space, hoping to rank or hoping to get quality backlink, because the algorithm of LinkedIn don't really push posts from that point. So but look at this silent feature, write an article. Right under this feature, it gives you a kind of a mini blog where you put up content concerning your niche or concerning what you have interest in, and in those articles you can put as much link as possible. And when someone comes to LinkedIn to search for information, and if your article has the valuable keywords, it will actually rank, and from there you get backlinks to your site, thereby making your site, giving your site more credibility and bringing it up on Google pages. Then the next one is Quora. Yes, Quora, another popular website. Meanwhile, let's look at how much traffic LinkedIn gets monthly. Okay, it's loading up. This is actually a Chrome plugin you can actually get on your Chrome browser, and with that you can see how the number of traffic each website gets monthly. So for LinkedIn gets as much as 1.5 billion monthly visitors. That's very huge. So you have to go in on LinkedIn and make maximum use of it. Then back to Quora. You don't have to use you don't have to use the normal, what do you have in mind, ask question or answer question feature. All you have to do is come on this create space, put in there your blog post or there your content or what you want to talk about, then add as much link as possible. Just like LinkedIn, Quora, if you use this normal feature to answer questions and add in links, Quora won't actually rank it, or it won't service so many persons. But when you use the create space, it's just like a mini blog under your Quora account. Write as much as you can, add as much links as possible, and when people come on Quora to look for answers to questions, you have more chance to rank. And when that happens, you get your backlinks. Then the next one is Medium. Medium has been there for some time, though Medium has a little bit restriction. You can't post they have a limit to the number of articles you can post until you upgrade your account. Though meanwhile, Medium is also a very good platform where you can get as many backlinks as possible. Just come in here, write your story, write your article, put as much link as possible. It's more of a mini blog personalized to for your needs. Okay, so Medium is actually wonderful. Then the next one is Mix.com. Mix.com, I'm not really cool with them since they disabled their platform on laptops. Majorly, once you get on Mix.com, you can do whatever thing you want to do on your laptop. But for the past few months, I noticed that they've upgraded and you can only use their services on app. You have to download the app on your iOS or on your Android and interact with them through that way. I think they are trying to make their products to be more phone friendly than laptop friendly. And me being someone that works on my laptop most of the time and like writing on my laptop, I'm not in the scale of 1 to 10. I'm not really cool, and maybe I will place it in 5 or 6 for me, because working on my phone, writing articles on my phone is not always that convenient for me to work. But if you're someone that likes writing and comfortable writing your articles on your phone, then this is a good one for you. Download the app, sign up, and start posting out your content out there. And Mix has lots and lots of monthly traffic as well, so you can maximize that and start making good use of this space. It gets as much as almost 1,817,000 monthly visits, which is not bad. Okay, so the next one is Pinterest, another wonderful website or domain where you get lots and lots of traffic. If you're not on Pinterest, simply sign up. Once you sign up and you get confirmed, you can start putting out your pins in Pinterest. All you just have to do, come right here, click on this, create a pin, and it's just in picture format, you can actually go to canva.com. Already Canva has a particular template for Pinterest pins, so you can go there, create as much pin as possible using the words or captions from your blog post and article. Okay, that way you have lots of pin, and Pinterest gets lots and lots of monthly traffic, which you can also benefit from. That's about 1 billion monthly visits or traffic. So Pinterest is actually a very hot place to get as much backlinks as possible. And like I said earlier, all the websites I mentioned to you today has great domain authority and domain ranking. Okay, you can look at the worldwide rank is at number 28. You can look at country rank is at number 26. You can look at category rank is at number 10. So those are very wonderful websites. Then at this point, I will indulge you. If you've been with me on this video up to this moment, that means you're getting lots and lots of values. I would like you to like this video, click on that red subscribe button, and also click the bell notification icon so that you'll always be notified whenever I drop content like this on how to make money online, crypto, how to get traffic online, and anything digital marketing. All right. And also, when you subscribe and like this video, you send signal to the YouTube algorithm to serve this video to more persons who may need this information. Okay, so let's get to the last one, which is Slideshare.net. Slideshare is actually a domain or a website which many persons don't use, and due to that reduced competition, you have high chances of ranking as fast as possible. You have high chances of your content being shown to people when they search on Slideshare. Slideshare is just like you using your content to create slides or slide posts, and this is actually easy to do. It's not a stressful stuff. Just pick up the highlights from your article or from your blog post or from your website post, then create easy and simple Slideshare. You can actually go to Google Slides, create your slides there, and come to Slideshare and upload it. You can actually use the normal slides on your laptop or on your phone and do that. You can actually create those slides on using Canva. You can actually create those slides also right here on Slideshare. So it's actually very easy to do, and is a very good opportunity for you to get lots and lots of quality backlinks. The keyword quality, all backlinks can't give you the same effect, but when you get backlinks from high ranking or high authority domains such as the ones I've mentioned in this video, then you have higher chance of ranking better and higher in Google pages. Then let me give you a disclaimer. I'm not saying once you start doing this in 2 or 3 days you rank on the first page of Google. No, you have to give it time. You have to do this consistently for days or sometimes for 2 or 3 weeks, then before you start seeing good results. Okay, before you see yourself maybe on page 2 or page 3 of Google, especially in your niche, then over time you may come up to page 1. So thank you so much for being with me on this video, and have a great time.